In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Used Cars Simulator on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now once you have done that, we need to search up this game at Steam and then we can continue to another website to download it, without overpaying of course. So what we are going to do, quickly search it up at the Steam website and don't waste too much time on it because we are not going to buy it here. So search up the game Used Cars Simulator and then select it. Scroll a little bit down on this page and then you will find the game for €14.99. But don't worry, we have a workaround. What you need to do is open the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page. Here we are going to search for the same game Used Cars Simulator and select it. Now the next step is of course to select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Now there will be a PC version over here and this text needs to be marked green so the game can be activated in your country. Once you have selected that version, then this game page will be opened. And as you can see, we can already download this game for €8.91 compared to the Steam price of €14.99. This will save you a bit of money while downloading games online. Now, the next step is of course to purchase this game on this website and then you will receive an email confirmation with all these steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!